You're probably wondering, Jack, where have you been? I've been fucking gooning, mate. No, I'm joking. None of you are probably wondering where I've been. Anyways, regardless, another video. We're back this time again for a mini truck show in Coffs Harbour called Halfway Havoc. Very similar to what Halfway Hangs is. It's at the same place at Valla Beach, except you're not drifting cars. It's a massive mini truck show. For anyone who doesn't know me, and for the people who do know, I fucking love mini trucks. I froth them. So recently I've just fixed the S15. I've got a video of me fixing that. That'll be out after this one because I haven't edited it yet. So I'm going to make the Halfway Havoc show priority. And then I'll drop the gearbox video of me fixing this thing. But I'm happy to have it back. However, I've got everything, well, I thought I had everything sorted. I've been driving around today, just getting shit ready because I'll leave tomorrow morning. And it's got a mad vibration in the front. I think it's from just the wheels not being balanced properly. I did have new tyres fitted. It was a whole ordeal. I don't know why this camera keeps telling me why, so I'm just going to step out of the fucking sun. There's a whole ordeal trying to get home with this car because of fucking tyre issues. But regardless, we'll get straight into the video. I don't know where I'm going to keep going from after this clip. I don't know if it'll continue on today or when we're leaving tomorrow, but I hope you guys enjoy the video. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. I'm outside warming the Silvia up, getting ready for the big trip. Jordan, if you're watching this, I drove halfway up the street to let my car idle, so don't get mad at me. Yeah, we're gonna go race at a servo. For anyone who doesn't know, Reese is my painter and body kit guy and a friend of mine. And his wife has a really cool truck that he's bringing up. He also has a truck, it's not finished. So we're gonna cruise up to Valla with him, try and get the 80 hours done as soon as possible so we can get to Valla Beach and set up, and then yeah, I'll see you guys in the next clip, or you'll see Reese's truck in the next clip. Sorry, Linda's truck. Always fuck that up. Right, today's the next day at Valla for Halfway Havoc. I didn't film really anything yesterday after rocking up, so I just unpacked, set up, and wanted to enjoy myself. So today's actually the first day of the event. It's Friday, so we're gonna wait for everyone to rock up and see what gets here. Like I was saying at the start of the video, it's my mate Reese. That's his wife's truck. He has his own truck, but it's still in the midst of being built right now. Reese does all the body work and paint and repairs for this thing, so once again, massive shout out to Reese. The car wouldn't look as nice as it does if it wasn't for him. It's a static, isn't it?
Yeah, static.
I got that on film. Can't wait to post that on YouTube.
Alright, have your feet on the mat. Remember, sir, do not touch this. Watch your face.
Probably about, camera worth more than your yearly salary, mate.
One days became a bit too lame.
that is a wrap on Halfway Havoc 2025. My first Halfway Havoc ever. Video might be a bit all over the place with structure and whatnot, like they usually are, but this one probably worse more than others. Just because I feel a bit out of place here. I brought the Silvia. It is very far from a mini truck or a hot rod or a custom. Also, I'm a lot younger than a lot of the blokes out here. Car was in show. I somehow got a sticker to be in show. I got told, nah, bring it in. Like it's low, it's a custom, whatever. But tried to film as much as I also could because of all the rain. I didn't want to take my very expensive camera out in the rain. But I did the best I could. So I'm hoping, fingers crossed, the clips came out alright. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to do better next time. I keep saying I'm going to do better, but I swear that it'll get better. They will get better. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Once again, please like, comment, or subscribe, or do something with it. Or fucking tell me, please, for the love of God, tell me what you want to see in terms of what type of videos, how I can edit them, make them, etc. Feedback would be greatly appreciated. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next one.